Okay, hello, welcome, Coesau to our brand new active TV, bringing your demand workouts that you can do anytime at home. So my name's Tracy and I'm an active fitness instructor in Carmarthenshire. I'll be bringing you a 30-minute workout today, legs, bums and tums. It'll be a total body workout, but we will be focusing on legs, bums and tums. The first 5 minutes will be a warm-up, just to get our muscles nice and warm, joints nice and loose, and the blood circulating. Then we'll be ready for our 20-minute strength and endurance section, targeting the main muscle groups. Then we'll finish then with a 5-minute cool down, stretch our muscles back out, bring the heart rate down nice and slowly, and recover the body. You'll need a bit of space around you so that you're nice and safe. We'll need some weights if you have any. If you don't, a couple of bottles of water will do, a couple of tins of food. We'll also need a mat or a towel for the floor work later on. Also, if you keep some water handy, just to make sure you keep hydrated, that's important, everyone. Okay, you may also want to play your own music in the background, just for some extra motivation as well. Please make sure that you're feeling well to exercise today. You have no injuries. If at any time you feel unwell, discomfort or in any pain, please stop exercising straight away. And always exercise within your own comfort zones. Okay, I think we're about ready to start. Okay then everyone, let's get started. So we need to warm up first of all, let's loosen these joints. So let's start with a march on the spot. So make sure you check your posture, engage your tummy muscles, pull into your spine and use your arms. If my pace is a little bit quick, you can always slow it down, okay, to suit yourself. So let's just get nice and warm. Okay, next then, let's bring the shoulders in. So we're shoulder rolling up, back and down. Nice lifts up, back and down. We got 2 more of these. Okay, and then back to the arm swing. So swing your shoulders forward and back and keep lifting those toes off the floor. Well done, everyone. Keep it moving. Okay, next exercise, let's loosen these ankles up a little bit. So we're going to point forwards. Feel a nice stretch into the feet, into the ankles. And always keep your arms moving if you can. That's good. So we got 3 more. I'll make that the last one. Return to your march and keep moving. Well done, that's good. Okay, then let's go into the ankles again. So this time we need some heel digs. You're pushing your heels to the floor and you're raising up with your elbows. Always keeping the whole body working if you can. If you're getting tired at any time, take the arms out, but keep the feet moving. That's great. Okay, we've loosened the shoulders a little bit and the ankles. Always return to the march. Great. Okay, take the feet out a little bit wider for the next exercise and take a pause. Make sure your knees are nice and soft for this one. Engage, pull in nice and tight at the core. And we've got a bit of a reach to the side. Not too far, just where you're comfortable. So we're trying to get a bit of a stretch in the side as well. And we're loosening the spine here. So we'll do 1 more each side. And finish to the left. Great, now hold that position. Feet are forward, knees are nice and soft. Tummy's tucked in, hands on the hips. We're going to slowly turn to look over the shoulder, but try and keep your hips forward to the front. So we're mobilising the upper and the middle back with this one. So it's a slow turn over the shoulder, and then the last one to the left. Well, step in, return to the march. So let's keep the blood flowing. Arms are working as well. You should be getting a little bit warmer now, because I am. Keep working, everyone. Good work. Let's step it out once more, a little bit wider, so your feet are about shoulder width, or a little bit wider even. This time we're mobilising the hips. Knees are soft, so we got some small circles to the right to begin with. Don't push your hips back too far with this one. And then take a pause before we change directions. So it's a small circle, we're just loosening the hip joints. Great, and 1 more. That's good work, everyone. Step in, keep your feet moving. How are we doing? I hope you're starting to feel your heart rate rise and you're warming up a little bit. Make sure you get the right intensity with these exercises. Make sure you stay nice and safe. Okay, we've warmed your joints up. Let's get the heart rate up a little bit more. So really strong march this time. Let's start to pick these knees up. A nice strong movement with the arms. This time I want you to walk forward to me if you've got room for 4 steps. So we've got 4, 3, 2, 1, hold it. And then you're going to go the other direction. And hold it. Keep that march going, everyone. Well done, how are we doing? Keep it moving, well done. Okay, we got some side stepping this time. Bit of change of direction there. Make sure you're bending your knees as well. We're warming these legs up. Never lock your knees out, keep them nice and soft. Keep your arms working. If you're getting tired, take the arms out. Keep your legs moving. Well done, so we've got 2 more. And we're back to a march on the middle. Well done, everyone. Keep it moving. Getting very warm in here anyway. That's good work, everyone. Okay, we're going to step out wide. And in, wide. And in, take it wide. And in. Now let's lead with the other leg. Take it wide. And wide. Brill. Last one. March on the spot. Keep it going, keep it going. Next exercise, let's work the back of the legs a little bit. So reach and pull, and you've got to curl with the legs. So curl, working the hamstrings, back of the thighs this time. Keep your arms going. If you need a rest, arms out, legs only. Brill. Last 2. Step in, march, keep your arms moving. Very warm now, we're warming up now. We're nearly there, everyone. Couple of stretches then before we get on to the main section. Let's step it back and reach forward. Step back, reach forward. If you don't want to take your arms that high, keep them low. Gentle back extension as you go. Feel a nice stretch in the back of the leg. Calf stretch we're looking for here, bottom of the leg. And 1 more then. Good, march on the spot. We want a low kick forward this time. Trying to feel a stretch into the back of the thighs. So keep it low. Keep this one low, nice and safe. And again, if my pace is too quick, slow it down, suit yourself. Last one. March on the spot. Okay, well I'm feeling nice and warm now. Muscles are warmed up, joints are nice and loose. I think we're ready for a workout. Okay, so let's take a pause. Take the feet out hip width. Into our squats. Tummy pulled in nice and tight into your spine. Make sure you sit your weight back into the heels and then push through the quads. Big muscles in the thighs. You're sitting back, push up. So let's keep warming these muscles up to begin with. We're going to add the weights in a second. For those of you who want to. Keep going. We got 4 more like this. 3 and 2. And we got 1 more to go. Great, well done everyone. Keep the feet moving in between while we recover. Now we're going to make this one slightly harder. I'm going to take the squat out to the side, bring it in, out to the side and in. Let's get the arms working as well. Now make sure you're focusing, keep your tummy pulled in tight. You don't want any backache. If your back is hurting at all, don't go so low. Stay up. Okay, we got 2 more. And last one. Great, keep matching then. So you should be getting quite warm now, I would think. Well done, you should be feeling the benefits now. Keep it moving, everyone. Take a break anytime, also remember your water. Keep hydrated. Brill. Okay, back to a squat position. This time, a little bit harder for those who want to take it up a little bit. We're squatting and pushing up onto the toes. Squat, push up onto the toes. Take your weight back and lift. Long reach with the arms and pull. Keep your chin off your chest and don't forget to breathe. Well done everyone, 2 more. And we got 1 more to go. Great, step it in. Keep it moving, we're nearly there. Ready for our weights. But for those of you who want to progress this a little bit extra, let's bring the feet in together. Now this time, those of you who want to can stay with the heel raises. If you want to make it a little bit more difficult, add a lift. Add a lift. Keep going with this one. Or just the heel raises, up to you. And we got 8 of these. 7. Don't forget to lift, those of you who want to. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Oh, I can feel that in the legs. Hope you can feel that. Should be working now. Well done, everyone. Keep it moving. My heart rate's up. You can hear me breathing now. Well done. Those of you who want to, if you pick your weights up at this point, and we'll carry on. Safely bend to pick your weights up as well. Okay, so we're adding a bit more resistance here. Like I say, if the weights get too much, put them down, or just continue with one. So feet are hip width apart. This time, we've got a squat, a knee lift, and an arm raise. Now you can adapt this yourself. You can keep the weight to the side if you prefer. A little bit of balance here as well. Squat and lift. So from the side we've got a squat. Opposite arm to the leg. Strong arm forward. 3 more. And 2. And last one. Quick breather. How are we doing? Don't hide behind the settee. It's okay. Come on, we can do it. We can do it. Keep the feet moving. Keep moving. Well done, everyone. Getting a workout now. Okay, next set then. This time, we're going to be changing the arms. One forward and one to the side. So we're using slightly different muscles with this one, while we're still working the legs. So going into the shoulders, tops of the arms. Control it. 8, 7, tummy pulled in tight. Last 4, chin of the chest. 3, 2, and 1. Well, nearly there. One more squat exercise to go. We're doing well, everyone. We can do it, come on. Great stuff. With or without your weights. Weights are too much, put them down. Feet are hip width. Squatting, add a kick. Squat and kick. Now control both movements. Don't fling your leg. Squat, kick. And then control to the floor. Get nice and low with those squats now. Get your bottom back. Okay, 4 more. 3, and 2, and 1. Okay, those hardcore, stay down with me. Those who don't want to, keep pulsing. Up and down. Those of you who want to stay down, make it a little bit more difficult. Pulse on the spot. Oh, I can feel the burn now. I can feel it in the thighs now. Come on, everyone. Keep going. 4, 3, 2. Big push to the top. Well done, everyone. Give it a shake. Shake your muscles out. Give it a little shake on the spot. Okay, good. I hope you're feeling that one. So that's our first section, working the legs. Have a quick breather. Drop of water. We'll come back and do some arm exercises. Okay, well done, everyone, so far. How are we doing? Hope you're feeling okay, you're feeling the benefits to start off anyway. We've got a bit more to go. So let's give the lower legs a rest. Let's work on the upper body for a couple of minutes. So we're going to start now by split stance with the feet. Step 1 foot back. Keep the knees nice and relaxed, so give your legs a break. Let's work the muscles now on the inside of the upper arm. Biceps here. So we're going to do one arm at a time. So we're curling up towards the shoulder. Now make sure you're controlling these weights. If the weights are too much, put them down. Just follow the action instead. So keep going. We got 1 more each side. And then we're going to go bring arms, both arms together if we can. So let's slow it down. 2 counts up and 2 counts down. Tummy's in nice and tight, don't forget. And the chin is off the chest. Breathe out on the effort. And breathe in. So on that effort, breathe out. And relax. We got 2 more like this. And relax. Last one. Well done, excellent stuff. Okay, stay in that position. Now we're going to take it out to the side, so we're working slightly different muscles here. Going into the shoulder, deltoids at the top. And again, you need to control these weights. So it's no good flinging. Just keep them nice and controlled. Tummy's in nice and tight, protect your back. Don't let your lower back arch. Reach and release. 3 more. And 2. And the last one there. Good, okay, roll the shoulders back, release the tension. Let's take this lunge back a little bit if you can, if that's comfortable. Any pain in your knee, stay in and stay up. If you can, take it back, get a bit lower. So we're bringing the legs back into this. Let's carry on with our biceps. So we go 4, 3 with control, 2 and 1. Now I want to bring the legs in, so let's lunge and curl. Lunge, that back knee towards the floor and curl. Lunge, curl. Oh, feeling this now? And curl. We got 4 more. Lunge, curl. Full body workout, I did tell you. Good. 2. And last one, but it's not really. Get back down and stay there. Stay there if you can. If it's too much, come up. Have a march on the spot, roll your shoulders back. Hold your bicep curl in place. Hold it there. Now one nice deep squats. You can feel this top to toe. Well done, everyone. Keep going, we got 4. Don't hit the floor with your knee. Fleece straight, knee straight down to the floor. And 1 more. Big push up. That's working. That's working. Well done, everyone. Give it a little kick out. The only thing is, now we got another leg. So we've got to change legs. Let's step it back. Take that leg back. So hold in position first of all. If you need to make it a bit more comfortable, step in a little bit and don't go so low. But if you can, go back a bit more now. So we're curling with control. Nice and control. Feel those bicep muscles work at the top of your arms. 3 and 2. Light grip of your weights. Good, out to the side. Lateral lifts. So with control, lift. Don't go any higher than your shoulders. No need. 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Good, hold it there. Let's get a bit lower if we can. Work to your own comfort zones now. If you need to come up, stay up a bit. Okay, let's go down. And lunge. 2 more like this, then we bring the arms in. Well done, everyone. So let's lunge and curl. Lunge and curl. How are we doing, everyone? Are you feeling this at home? You should be. You should be. Last 3. Curl. 2. And 1 more. Well done. Oh, that's not the end. Let's go back down. Let's stay there. I know you can do it, otherwise I wouldn't be putting it in. Come on. You can do it. Hold your position. Oh, I can feel that burn. Both legs, your stabilising leg and your working leg. Hold it there. Biceps. Hold the contraction, hold it. Pulse. And pulse. 4, 3, 2. Big push in. You can definitely feel that in the legs. Take it from me. Well done, everyone. Have a little shuffle on the spot. Release your muscles. Excellent work. Safely bend your knees. Put your weights to the floor. Let's have a quick breather. Another drop of water. And we get back. This time we'll be going down to the floor. We're going to carry on with some chest work and the backs of the arms. So drop of water, keep hydrated, and we'll carry on. Well done so far. Hope you're all doing okay. So let's grab your mat. Again, safely bend your knees. Bring your mat over. Okay, place your mat safely to the floor. Okay, first of all, we're going to do some push-ups. Upper body, chest, backs of the arms. Because we've just worked the fronts, we need to work the opposite groups. Keep a weight nearby as well for our sit-ups at the end. Keep that close by. Okay, let's give you the alternatives for your push-ups then. Your first option for the hardcore crew, wrists under your shoulders. Take your hands a little bit wider than your shoulders, or if you want to work harder, bring them in. If you let your elbows out, that's more comfortable. If you want to get to the backs of the arms, try and bring your elbows in. Full option, obviously, onto the toes. And you're lowering your chest to the floor, push up. Intermediates, on your knees, but not on your kneecaps, just off the knees. Again, elbows under your shoulders, relax your head and neck, tummies in tight. And we're lowering the body weight to the floor, big push-up. Now it's important to control these movements. Remember to keep your tummy pulled in at all times. Easiest option for beginners, box press up. Tabletop position, wrists under your shoulders, tummies in tight, lower to the floor, with control. So choose your option, we get 2 sets. So I'm going to do the intermediate. I could do the full version, but not today. Okay, so let's do the intimate level then. So we're lowering to the floor, pushing up. Remember, keep those tummy muscles nice and tight. We want the control with this one. So we go 4 more like this. 4. Breathe out on the effort. 2 to go. Last one. Well done, everyone. Okay, choose your option. Go up if you want to have a go of the harder option, or make it easier for yourself for the box. I'm going to stay in the middle. This is the intermediate version. Make sure you're not on your kneecaps. You're just off your knees. Okay, I'm going to try and bring my arms into my body this time to target the backs of the arms. So we're going down on 2, push up. Down on 2, push up. Keep going. We got 4 to go if we can. If you need to stop, take a rest, join in when you're ready. 2 more. Tummy in tight. Last one. For those of you who want one extra more, stay down and hold. Hold it. I know you love me, really. 4, 3, 2. Oh, didn't make it. Sit back, everyone. Stretch it out. Well done. Brilliant work. Okay, so while we're on the floor, let's give the arms a bit of a rest. If you want to stretch and release your muscles a little bit, reach tall. Take a hand back, gently ease it back. And recover. Deep breaths. And release. Let the side reach first. Take it back. Use the other hand to help you. Chance to recover here. And release. Well done. Roll your shoulders back. How are we doing? I hope you're having a good workout. Let's keep it going. We've got a couple of sections left to go, and you've had your total body workout. Well done, everyone. Okay, let's get on to the glutes then. So if your shoulders are tired, you can go down to the forearms with this one, or stay up. Up to you. Let's go down. Okay, so you're on your knees. Make sure your knees are under your hips. Like I said, we're going to target the glutes with this exercise. Keep your chin off your chest, relax your head and neck. We're going to start by lifting out to the side, slowly in. So lift with control and in. So lift and release. Tummy's pulled in tight and release. And we're going to lift and release. 3 to go. So lift and a lift. Squeeze at the top. Get that glute squeeze in at the top and hold. Okay, change it a little bit this time. Lift, donkey kick, in and lower. Lift, donkey kick, in and lower. Oh, feeling it already? Hope you are too. Lift, squeeze and lower. Keep your tummy muscles pulled into your back. Protect your back. Lift. Okay, last one. Hold it there. Hold the leg up. Hold it. Tummy's in tight. Pulse. Push your heel up to the ceiling. Ooh. Keep it going, keep it going. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. You can definitely feel the gluteus maximus working. Come on then, at the side to go. At the side to go. Okay. If you need a stretch in between these, sit yourself back. Catch your breath. And reposition yourself. Okay, so up onto your hands if you like, or lower, whichever you prefer. I'm going to stay up for this one. So we're changing sides. Engage, pull in nice and tight. Relax your head and neck. Deep breaths, everyone. Plenty of oxygen into your muscles. 4, and 3, and 2. Also getting into the inner thighs with these. Okay, we've got donkey kicks, so lift, kick out, and lower. So control it. When you're controlling your exercise, you're using your muscles more. So lift, kick out, and release. Lift, kick out. 2 more. Lift, kick out, and release. Make this the last one. Hold it. Straighten your leg, don't lock your knee. Pulse. Point your toes down. Pulse. 8, 7, 6. You can do it, keep going. 4, 3, 2, and drop. Oh, well done. You can tell you've had a workout. Well done, everyone. Reach your fingertips to the edge of the mat. Deep breaths. Okay, well done. Hope you're feeling well. Make sure you keep hydrated at all times. Make sure you moderate the activity to suit yourself as well. Okay, last section. Let's get some abs. Let's get some abs worked. Keep your weight handy for those who want the extra resistance. Okay, slowly turn over then, onto your back. Slowly roll back through your spine. So nice and slowly through the spine, roll yourself back and relax your head. Okay, let's get a natural arch in the spine here. So you just want to rock forward and back. And then where you land, the natural curve in your spine is. So we want to keep it like that at all times. Neutral spine. Okay, your hand position for your sit-ups. Fingertips to the side. No pulling on the head. No pulling on the head or neck. Fingertips at the side. Elbows back. Engage. Pull in nice and tight. You want a flat back against the floor. You don't want arching into your back. Nice and flat. Elbows out. Chin off the chest, look up. Find a spot, keep your eyes on that ceiling. Okay, we got 2 counts up and down. So we're coming up and down. So again, with control, lift nice and steadily. Keep your elbows out. If you need to, you can bolster with a towel behind your neck if you need a bit of support. And don't worry about how high you come. You're focusing on using your abs. Not about pulling your neck up to get up higher. So last 2 then with 2 counts. And last one. Brill. Okay, anytime you need a stretch, full body stretch in between these. And then join in when you're ready. Well done everyone, we're nearly there. Keep going. A little bit harder for those of you who want to progress this exercise. Otherwise, keep both feet on the floor. We go 1 foot up. So bend that knee 90 degrees. Again, engage, chin off the chest, and lift. So you can feel now this is a little bit more difficult. You can really feel the lower abs working. Push those abs into the floor. Push. 3 to go. Breathe out on the way up. And we go 1 more. Change legs. Hold it. Engage. Back into the floor. Let's go. 4, 3, and 2. And well done everyone, you should really feel those abs working. All down the middle there. Okay, next set. If you can, if you're more advanced, you can bring both feet off the floor for this one, or keep 1 foot on the floor. Choose your option, do what suits you, it's your workout. Okay, so we got both feet off the floor. Engage, push in. There's no gap here. Let's lift. Singles. My elbows are back to the sides. My elbows aren't creeping in. Keep them out. Chin of the chest. 4, I can feel that working, definitely. 3, 2, and 1, excellent. Release the legs. Have a quick stretch here then. Release those muscles. How are we doing? Are we okay? Are you with me? Come on, we're nearly there, nearly there. Well done, everyone. Okay, let's concentrate on the lower abs this time. Extend one leg, a couple of inches off the floor. So don't want your leg up here. Keep it nice and low. Keep your back nice and flat. If you want to, extend the opposite arm at the side of the head, but I don't want your arm loose. Super glue to the side. Keep it there. A little bit harder, you'll feel this working lower. Okay, 2 counts up. You won't be able to come up very far with this one. Chin off the chest and breathe. Two more then. Lift, squeeze at the top and release. So it's all about the control. And one more, should be feeling that straight away after all the work. And relax, well done everyone. We're going to change sides. For those who want to add weight, progress this a little bit more, you can do. So it's one weight. Change legs, remember, a couple of inches off the floor. So you've got your intermediate level, opposite arm extended, support with the other side. Or if you want to progress it, take your weight. Or we've got the weight either where you can see it. If you're a little bit more advanced, take the weight behind, but make sure you've got no back problems. Make sure your back's okay. Okay, so we're going to come up. Singles, keep your legs still. Lift. And lift. Oh, you might be able to go very far with these. Keep going. We've got 8. 7. Well done everyone. 6, make sure you're doing the right option for you. 5. 4. 3, definitely feeling this one. 2. And 1. Whew. Quick breather, excellent work, well done. Little bit to do on the sides. The obliques. I'm not tired. Come on then, let's keep going to the end. Just muscles on the sides and then we've worked the whole area then. Let's cross one leg over. Engage, pull your muscles into your spine, flat back. Opposite elbow. Support the head with the other hand. This time we're coming up and over. Release. So it's a push up, push your back into the floor. Cross, chin off the chest. 4 to go, cross. Cross. Well done, last 2. Cross. Feel it working out on the sides. Last one. Okay, stay up here. Support the neck if you need it, or lower down if you need to. Reach. 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 Keep reaching. Reach as far as you can. Come on, feel those muscles in the sides working. 4, 3, 2, 1. Brill. Give yourselves a quick hug. You've earned it. Have a little hug. Well done, everyone. Doing really well to complete the whole workout. That's really good. Last side then. Done that side. Change legs. Relax your knee out to the side. Fingertips at the side. No pulling on your head or your neck. Let your abs do all the work. The minute you feel your neck doing the work, stop, rest and join in. Okay, up, cross. So control it. Lift and squeeze. Lift, squeeze. Bring the elbow over to the opposite knee. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Stay there and add your reach. Reach, reach. Reach as far as you can go comfortably. Don't go into any pain with these exercises. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, everyone. And we've worked the whole ab section there. All your abdominal muscles have had a workout there. That's good work if you've completed all of that. Well done. You'll be pleased to know that we're on the cool down section. Let's have a rest. Okay, everyone, hope we're feeling okay. Make sure you've kept hydrated, have some water. We're going to have a nice stretch now. Stretch your muscles back out, bring the heart rate down, nice and slowly, nice and safely. So let's have a full body stretch to begin with. Lengthen the legs and the arms. Reach nice and far as you can. Point your toes away, fingertips away. Chin up the chest, nice deep breaths. This is your relaxation time, you've earned it. Make the most of it. I'll be back next week. Deep breath in and breathe out. Deep breath in and breathe out. One more like that, so we need plenty of oxygen in now. And release, that's great. Let's step the feet to the floor. Let's get a nice hamstring stretch to begin with then. So bring one knee in towards the chest, slowly lengthen the leg. Walk your hands up towards the ankle. Don't go into any pain with these, just where you're comfortable. And gently pull the leg towards you. You're looking for a stretch now in the hamstrings. Back of the thigh. Gently hold it. Don't hold your breath. Don't hold your breath with these stretches. In fact, breathe in. As you breathe out, gently pull the leg in a little bit further so we can develop these muscle stretches. And keep breathing. Good. Let's cross that leg over them. Bring the hand through the gap. That of the foot comes off the floor and we're getting a glute stretch now. We need that after those glute exercises. You can feel that stretch in there. Well done. Important to keep breathing now and relax. Great, release. Change sides, so slowly bring the other knee in to the chest. Straighten and walk your hands up towards the ankle. Gently pull the toes towards you for extra stretch. And pull towards you. Nice deep breaths. Deep breath in. As you breathe out, gently pull towards you. You should feel that extra stretch in the back of that thigh. Breath. And release. So cross it over the opposite leg. Hand through the gap. Bring that foot up and squeeze. Nice glute stretch. Oh, that's nice. Well done, everyone. Breath. We need to do these. We've got to stretch these muscles back out. Good. And release, that's excellent. Give yourself a hug here then. Head comes up into the knees. Nice deep breaths. Slowly release. Let's massage the lower back. Hands on the knees. Slow rotations to the left. And then pause. Let's go back the other way. Nice massage on the lower back. Well done, everyone. Good, hold it there. Okay, rock and roll then. Slowly come up to sit-in. Turn onto the side, either side will do. So if we can, reach around to the foot, gently pull the foot towards you. If you can't quite reach the foot, onto the leg or your trouser. Hold that position, but don't hold your breath. Keep breathing nice and steady as you stretch. Well done, that's good. Big muscle group these, they need a good stretch. Well done. Okay, slowly release and then onto all fours. Take your time with this one. Slowly turn over, straight into a calf stretch, same side. Extend your leg away onto the toes, relax your head and neck. And push your heel gently towards the floor. Keep your elbows nice and soft, no lock in the elbows. Feel a nice stretch into the calf muscle. And nice deep breaths, well done. Okay, let's change legs here. Extend the other leg onto the toes, pushing your heels away. Remembering as well, tummy's in nice and tight to your back, protect your back from arching. Good, nice stretch there. Great, and release. Okay, onto the other side for the quad stretch. So slowly onto the other side. Relax down. Support with your elbow under your shoulder. Try not to dip in, stay up nice and safe. Reach to the foot. Try not to pull on your ankle as well, reach to the foot. If you can't quite reach, trouser leg or the leg yourself and hold. Deep breaths in now. Well done, everyone, good work. We're nearly there. You've done well. Lovely. So we go 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Well done, good work. From there, let's slowly sit back onto the heels. Reach your fingertips forward to the edge of the mat. Release your back. Brilliant. Well done, everyone. Okay, slowly come up then. Onto all fours. Cat stretch to finish. We're going to stretch and release the abs, the chest and the back area. Now your hands are under your shoulders for this one. Knees under your hips. I want you to pull your belly button into your spine. Breathe out as you do that. So it's a... and release. Push your tailbone away. And again. So your nice arch in the shoulders there. And release. One more. So big pull up to the ceiling. It's a nice release of the back, this one, and the hips. And release. Well done. Slowly walk your hands back. Push yourself onto your toes. Take a pause. Let your blood pressure settle a sec. Okay, when you're ready, if you're feeling okay, let's come up halfway and step out. So your elbows are to your knees for this one. Just hold it there. Keep those tummy muscles pulled in. Okay, hold it there. Relax your arms and your head and neck. Relax. And when you're ready, replace your hands to the thighs. Very slowly, take your time, roll through the spine. And come up to stand. Roll your shoulders back. Oh, lovely. Okay, step in. Well done, everyone. Chest stretch. Both hands, base of the back. Take your feet a little bit wider for this one, so you're nice and stable. Squeeze your elbows back together and your shoulder blades. Nice and relaxed now, I can't talk much. Well done, everyone. Squeeze back, feel a nice stretch across your chest. Brill. Keeping your knees nice and soft. Release, push up. Take the arm back, use the other hand to help you. You're looking for a nice stretch in the back of your arms there, tricep stretch into the shoulder as well. Nice deep breaths now, don't hold your breath while you're doing these. On the other side, reach tall. Nice stretch, you feel a stretch there as well. Down the back, gently ease in between your shoulders. Good work, well done everyone. Brilliant. Okay, let's bend the knees, deep breath in. And breathe out. Deep breath in. And release. We got one more, deep breath in. Reach tall, breathe out. And well done. Give yourselves a clap. Thank you everyone, brilliant work. Thank you everyone, well done for joining in our Active Home programme. We've got a whole range of classes you can choose from. So go to our website, active.wales, and search, or go to the App Store and search Active Sport and Leisure for the other range of classes. Thank you for taking part, and remember, stay home and stay safe. Diolch. Thank you very much.